Hello everyone. Today we are actually so excited. We are going for another trip today, and I'm taking all five dogs with us. So my wife, myself, and my five dogs. We are all traveling together today. We are taking a short break after a long time. Literally, we were longing for this kind of trip. We usually used to take a break at least every quarter, but this time, because of COVID and other XYZ reason, we could not make for this trip. But this time, at least, we're taking a short break. This time, we are trying to explore a place called Langa, which is in Himachal Pradesh. And you know what? We're just trying to get ready and packing everything. Routine again. Pack the medicines to all my dogs. More medicines, more what do I say? More medicine and more precautions for my dogs, and very less minimum medicines for ourselves, humans. We somehow can manage, but we just want to make sure that all our dogs are healthy and we take care of them. So we are taking all kind of SOS medicines and food items and stuff like that. Oh, I will catch you up soon. I'll show you what kind of packings we are making, and after a long time, I am driving Volkswagen Transporter, my truck, and my dogs are all so in love with the Transporter. Let me show you my dogs what they're doing right now. Hachi, you ready? You're ready? You ready for the trip? Let's go? Let's go? Yeah, I know. Shakti, you ready for the trip? Short trip, you ready? My all five dogs are travelers and they like traveling so much. Hey, Hachi. My other three dogs, they are in other room. So I'll take you to that room when we start the packing. So these three doesn't know that we are going to travel and then we are going to take them. Charlie, you ready? Hogana? Let's go. Let's go party. Bolt is the only one who hates travel, but he's pretty comfortable in Volkswagen Transporter. So it's a huge truck what I drive, and that's one of my favorite truck what I have. And Mr. Sniffy, he's the one who likes travel so much. He is a 11-year-old pug, and he is the one who always wants to sit in the navigation seat. He doesn't want to leave that seat to anybody else. So he doesn't have a clue that we are traveling today. So the moment we start packing, then you will have to see him. My wife is always late. We are supposed to leave for the trip in next couple of hours and we are still not ready. No packing, nothing. See. So this is what happens at the end moment. Asha, do you want to say something? Janta jawab jana chahti hai. Asha?
Husbands always want to blame wives. I am completely ready. You've not even arranged your clothes.
Is this what you say that this is ready? Oh! Wow.
My clothes are at least ready. Yours is not even kept aside. Hachi?
Okay, what about dogs things?
Dogs things are ready. That's the main thing which I made ready. That's most important.
Mm-hmm.
My clothes are not that important. I'm just grabbing whatever I'm getting.
Okay, by the way, how are you feeling after a long time?
I'm super excited to go in our transporter. Super excited. Thanks 2021.
Sniffy has got to know. He's just waiting to get her from here. Okay, we're almost ready for the trip. We're about to leave. So this is the only one suitcase which we are carrying. and some blankets if we get cold. Asha has taken the bed warmer, mainly our dogs' medicines and SOS medicines, everything. I have my laptop if I have to work from mountains, and we have taken bowls for dogs, a small drone, that's the woofer there, and we have taken a bag of pedigree. That's about it. So next 10 minutes we will be starting from here.